Sanbanani, hey T Squad, Sanbanani. It's another vlog, it's another me. It's a brand new vlog. Umkhuhlane usangiphethe. Sanbanani, my name is Tepi Somthetsa Namugela with channel yami, and if you're a regular regular at T Squad, thank you so much for coming back by. And if you're new in the channel, welcome. Please subscribe to the comment T Squad. Namugela guys with channel yami. It's another vlog. Ngimcimbini, spend a day with me. Cimbini kamngani wami nje kuningi and iflu isangiphethe. Finally vlog isangiphethe iflu guys. Isangiphethe ngiyafa fim. But let's enjoy our day. So let's not dwell on things we cannot change right now. So let's begin the vlog. As vlog. Bye later. One day you leave this world behind. So live a life you will remember. Guys, angazi nizoyibona kanjani OOTD yami but ngimuhle ngifake ingubo kuningi angikwazi ukukhombisa OOTD kugcwele nje like kamla spit but ngizobe nginikhombisa OOTD yami. Inhle ingubo yami 2023 le kade ngaba nayo. Isengipintsha ngibanjwe abantu ababili 3 ngami ngizama ukugqoka le ngubo uzipho ungakhuphuki ngaze ngakhuluphala ngemncane period. Enjoy. Love you. So guys, it was a hectic day. Beautiful imbi. Guys, izolo being paid bengisho na ngiyangibona nje. Ngiyabonakala ukuthi zishala. But I could not vlog. I could not continue with the vlog because it flew even umba phansi isasemcimbini. So I could not continue vlogging. See you on my next one. I hope you enjoyed. Hello, how many minutes? 5 minutes of this vlog. It's a 5 minutes vlog, guys. I hope you enjoy it, guys. Yo. I hope you enjoy it. Love you lots, T Squad. Subscribe, guys. Subscribing is free, so tell your family, your extended family to please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Love you, T Squad. See you on my next one.
Get your life, little mama, won't you get your life on?